are truly commendable. With a distinguished educational background including a PhD in commerce, Dr. Shubhasri has contributed significantly to academia through numerous international and national journal publications, book chapters, and presentations at prestigious conferences. Her research interests encompass diverse areas such as viral marketing, e-CRM, and the impact of digital technologies on commerce. Beyond academia, Dr. Shubhasri has actively participated in workshops and faculty development programs aimed at enhancing teaching methodologies and research skills. Her leadership extends to role as placement coordinator and CAT coordinator, reflecting her holistic approach to students' development. Today, we are honored to have Dr. Shubhasri among us, whose dedication, expertise, and scholarly contributions continue to inspire us all. Please join me in a warm welcoming Dr. Shubhasri. Thank you.
Is good evening. Good evening to one and all present here. Really, it's my immense pleasure to be part of this 7 days online faculty development program on essential skills for professional development in higher education. Really, it's a good initiative. I'm really privileged to be a part of this online FDP program. So today my topic is that I'm just going to discuss with time management. I hope you can view my PowerPoint. Anyone just please respond me. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. So today I'm going to discuss about how we can effectively manage our time. So definitely we're having only 24 hours a day. How effectively we are utilizing that, if at the end of the day, if we are seeing it's such a question mark is there. Really, whether we are utilizing effectively, that's such a big question, as well as managing the time is not an easy task. But while we are discussing, if we are going to advise to some other person how we have to manage the time, that and all easily we can express. But really managing the time is not an easy task. It's a very difficult task that we have to analyze ourselves, how we can effectively utilize our time. So I know everyone is busy with your work. Apart from that, you have joined this faculty development program to enhance yourself. So in spite of busy schedule, you are going to spend your valuable time in how to understand how we can manage the time effectively. So whatever I have analyzed, whatever I have understand, that and all I'm just going to express to you all. Okay, so everyone goal is that we want to be a successful person. Am I right? So everyone, we want to be a successful person. So in order to be a successful person, we have to plan and we have to achieve our goal. So in order, while fixing our goal, it may be a short term or it may be a long term. So it should be a smart. So smart, it's nothing but, so here I've just given the abbreviation of S stands for specific, and M stands for measurable, and A stands for it should be achievable. So determining the goal is not simply so that it should be achievable manner. So whatever we can, according to that, we have to determine our goal. We have to decide our goal. Then it should be realistic. Highly not possible factor, highly not possible goal. If you are going to take, whether you can achieve, it will be a big question mark for all. So whatever it's possible, whatever we can achievable, so that only we have to decide as our goal. So then, in order to achieve all this goal, we are planning everything okay. So the main important task is that on what time we are going to start that at what time we have to achieve, when we are going to start that process. So in order to achieve our goal, what is our plan? When you are going to start? So within what time we have to complete? So everything we have to decide. So every day before, at the time of wake up, just we are planning what are the things we have to do. To-do list we are preparing. So what are the things we have to do? What we are not supposed to, what we can skip, what we can skip for the next day. So like that we are planning. So in order to achieve our goal, we have to plan our time effectively. I hope everyone, you know what do you mean by time management. So just I want to express what is the simple meaning of time management, and then I will go for some other concepts. So first, so everyone, we know what do you mean by time management. So we are having every day, we are having 24 hours a day. Whether we are utilizing the time effectively, it's a big question mark. So we have to utilize our time productively as well as effectively. How we can use our time, how we can utilize our time productively and effectively. It's a big question mark for all. So that's what we are going to learn today. Okay, so we're having 24 hours a day. We're having a lot of work to complete. So without stressing ourselves, we have to do our work. We have to complete our task. So every day we're having so many work to complete. So we are not supposed to stress ourselves. But in order, what I'm telling is that we have to complete our work without any stress. That means first we have to prioritize our work. What are the work to be completed first, and what are the work to be completed next, and what are the work to be completed at last. This is very important. So without stressing ourselves, so we have to complete our work. Really, it's not a simple task. So no other way. So in our home also we are having a lot of work to complete. So we are in the work environment. So there also we are having a lot of work to complete. So previously, before our pandemic, what we have done. So I hope everyone is academicians. So our task is only to take the teaching only in the class. So nowadays the pandemic has been changed everything. So nowadays, just see.
Ma'am, could you please go on full screen mode, ma'am? Full screen mode.
Actually, please. Now, whether you can able to view. Mode. Yes, ma'am. I am in full screen mode only. Whether you can able to view.
Ma'am, please proceed with the slideshow thing. That is, I believe, what she is asking for.
Okay, ma'am. Can you anyone tell me, sir, what is the presentation you can able to view?
Ma'am, at the very right corner, right down corner, you would be seeing the. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. On the very right down corner, where comments are written, just at the very last option, where there is a screen made. Yes. Just left hand side, where comments are written. Comments is written. The comments are written. Just skip the two icons. The very last icon. Yes, this one. Left one. Down. Yes, down. Perfect.
Sir.
Hello. Or ma'am, you can directly click Shift and F5 together.
Sir, whether you can able to view now? Sir?
Yes, ma'am. It's perfect. It's perfect. Thank you so much.
Okay, now I am in the screen of time management. Whether you can able to view?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We all are able to view it, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. So what I have discussed is that, yes, so the pandemic have changed the way. So previously, just we have taken the class only in the college, only in the classroom. So now the pandemic have given the way that we have learned a lot, how we have to utilize our gadgets. So nowadays, just after the college has also, we are doing so many work with the help of the Google Docs, Google Sheet. Even we are giving all the assignment through the Google Docs, Google Classroom. So we have just because of this pandemic, technology wise, we have developed. So now just our time is only 24 hours, but we have to do our work, even our academic also for 24 hours. It's become, so we have to that is effective manage our academic work as well as we have to effectively manage our life also, personal life also. It's a very difficult task, but what I am discussing also, it's simple, but hardly if you are going to put it in the practice, it's really a difficult task. But even though I'll just try to give some simple tips, just try to just take over that, just put it, try to put it in the practical life, and just try to achieve our time management. So next, I'm just talking over regarding the time management, everything. So before that, first we have to decide whatever the important task and which is urgent task. So first, while prioritizing our work, first of all, we have to classify whatever I just told that we have to prepare the to-do list, what we have to do first and what we have to do next and what we have to do at last. So before prioritizing our work, first we have to prioritize our task. Yes? Anything? Okay. So first we have to prioritize our work to two different, that is important things, which is urgent task and which is important task. Urgent task, no other way, we have to take the immediate action. I hope everyone will agree this. So I'll give you some of the examples also for this also. So urgent task, we have to find out and that we have to complete that immediately. So next is that we have to find out what are the works will come under the important task. So that is not to be completed immediately, but we have to decide the time when we have to complete that. So now just whether you can able to see all my slides.
Yes, ma'am, it's perfectly visible.
Thank you.
Please
Thank
proceed.
you so much. Thank you so much. So now I'll just give you some examples. So I told that while prioritizing our work, first we have to classify which is urgent and which is very important. So I'll tell you some examples. So I've just listed over some of the examples here. So first, answering the phone call, it's very urgent. So no other way, whether we can able to skip, that is not possible. So this will come under the urgent task. And next is that regularly we have to go for the hospital and we have to have a general checkup. That is important. So we have to prioritize, we have to decide when we have to go, whether we have to go for monthly or 6 months once, that we have to decide. So this is important task, but it is very, very important. But when we are going to plan, when we are going for that we can plan accordingly. That means this important action does not require immediate attention. But urgent task, no other way, we have to complete immediately. Okay. So while prioritizing our work, first we have to just prioritize which is urgent, that has to be completed immediately. And next we have to decide which work and all will come under important. For that important work also we have to decide which work has to be done at what time, when we have to complete the task, that has to be decided. So next, I'm telling another example of what I gave is that, so picking up the children from the school, it's both urgent as well as important. So while prioritizing our work, so which is urgent and which is very important and which is both urgent and important, everything we have to consider. Next one is relaxing. Actually, so just we are relaxing our time by just seeing our social networks and all. So that is not at all urgent. That is not at all important also. But some extent we need some relaxation. For that, if we are in the need of relaxation, definitely we have to use it. So that also I am not able to tell. It's not urgent, but definitely we need some relaxation. In this case, so we no other way. In order to relieve our stress, we have to use that social networks, or we have to spend the time with our family. But unfortunately, what really I am facing, so just we are telling that we have to prioritize our work. Definitely, we are prioritizing our work, and but in our academic level, in college level, in school level, really whatever the work we are doing, we are prioritizing. But if you are coming to the real life, really 100%, I will tell that we are not able to spend more time with our family. So that we have to give more importance. Really, what I am also lagging, that I'm just want to express. Really, for that also we have to give some weightage. So definitely, while making the time management, definitely we have to give some time for our family. So this is our priority matrix. So by using this matrix, so while preparing the to-do list, so whatever I told, no, so while prioritizing our work, we have to prioritize according to urgency, that is emergency, urgency, and importance. Just see which we have to do first. So this red, I hope you can able to see that priority matrix. Whether you can.
Yes, ma'am, we are able to see. Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
we are able
thank
to
you
see.
so much for your response, sir. So the first red, it's denote do first. So that means just see what it's represent. High importance and high urgency. Which is high urgency and high important. First, we have to complete that work first. So how? So the task has been classified under two. One is urgent and one is important. The first task, which item we have to give importance. For which task we have to give importance is that which is highly urgency and which is highly importance. And to do next. So after completing the first task, which is highly urgency and which is highly important, then we have to prioritize to the next action is that high importance but low urgency. But it's not to work immediately, but it's very important. So that work has to be completed. So next one is that we have to go for the green. That is low importance but high urgency. That has to be considered. And no, that last one is actually low importance and low urgency. Low urgency. So that action to be finally you can just prioritize. And I told that just we have seen what is the priority matrix. So now we'll see each day we having 24 hours a day. Okay. So I told that we have to classify under 4 headings. So first what we have to decide is that out of 48 hours, so within next 48 hours, what are the tasks to be completed? First we have to prioritize that. So which have to do first? That is urgency and which is very highly important. So that will come under within 48 hours or within 24 hours. These are the work to be completed. We have to list out. And some of the urgent tasks, I think so. Someone have unmuted. Okay. Whether I am audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, according to that priority matrix, we have to decide which are the work to be completed before 48 hours and which is not so urgent, which is not so important, that and all we have to decide. So, next one is that, so what are the principles? So, principles of the good time management. The first principle what we have to do is that, so we have to prioritize your workload. So whatever I've just discussed now, that's what I've just listed here. First of all, you have to prioritize your workload. So next one is that, what are the work we can do, how we can do that work productively, effectively, that we have to see. So we have planned what are the work to be completed first and what are the work we have to complete it next and what are the work we have to complete last. We have prioritized. Whether that is enough, whether that is a time management, no, definitely not. So prioritizing our work, it's a important task. So what is the next step is that, how effectively we can use that, how effectively we can use the time. So 1 hour, within 1 hour, we have to complete the task. So next, another 1 hour, we have to relax. We have to spend the time with our family. Like that, we have to decide. So we have to, once after prioritizing our work, we have to decide how effectively, how we have to plan, not decide. We have to plan how effectively we can use the time. So these are the skills we have to develop in order to plan our time management. First one, it's organization. First, before prioritizing, first we have to check what are the work to be done. What are the work to be done? We have to decide. We have to identify. That is the organization. So next, you are prioritizing, which has to be the first and which has to be next and which has to be last. Then we are prioritizing. So next, we have to goal setting. So what are the work to be completed first? For that, at what time? When? Where we are? So next one is that, just we have to complete the work. So everything has to be done by ourselves. It's highly not possible. So we have to plan and we have to delegate the work to our staff. Then only we can, even in the academic also, in the place where we are working. So just please understand, even you are the head, you are not able to do all the work by ourselves. So what's our role is that we have to plan. What are the work to be done? We have to identify how have to be done, how the work has to be done, that we have to decide, and how we can effectively, that is, if you know that work, then only we can able to delegate, then only we can able to get the work from the staff. So before delegating the work, first we have to check what is the work. So you're going to delegate some other work to a staff means, first we have to identify what is that work, how the work can be do effectively. Why? Because so we have to plan and we have to delegate the work and we have to give the guidelines how the work can be done easily. So whether the delegation only we have to do, no, we have to involve in that work. So what is the work to be done in the academic, in the workplace, that we are not able to complete by ourselves. So for that, we have to decide with whom we are going to do that work. That is the person who is going to involve, what type nature of job. So everything we have to decide. So what are the work you are going to delegate? If you are going to delegate the work, so if any doubt, they will ask you. So in this case, you have to be in the position to explain what is the problem, how we can do that work. So before delegating the work, we have to check what type of work is that. We have to be very clear. So that is, then we have to delegate. So we have to be very clear what is that work. So that is to be planned. So that what is given as a planning. Then we have to delegate. After delegating the work, you have to make your staff very comfortable. You're not supposed to keep on asking that what has been happened, whether you have done that, whether you have done like this. You're not supposed to keep on asking that. You have to give some time. So this work is urgent. So this has to be completed within this time. So you have to, while delegating the work itself, you have to express at what time you have to complete, how we have to complete everything. So next one is stress management. So main one thing is that we are not in our workplace as well as in our life. We are not supposed to stress ourselves as well as we are not supposed to stress others also. If you are going to work very happily, definitely you will have some good coordination with all your staff. Definitely the work will be done at time. So apart from the time management and all, we have to be a good leader also. So that is what are the work to be delegated, how we effectively we can get the work. So that is also very important. That is also will come under the time management. It should be flexibility. So some flexibility is also required. So definitely we are also, actually we having one work means that has been given by the higher official. So definitely we will have that pressure from the higher official also. So if any work has not been done, if anything has been done wrongly, we are not blame the staff. We are not supposed to blame the staff. We have to take that in charge for that. So what is the problem? So just we have delegated the work. Even the staff is also doing that work. If something has been went wrong, we are not supposed to blame the staff. We have to check what is the reason. So if you are going for the higher official, so you are not supposed to blame the staff. You have to take that, what is the reason for that? We have to take that charge. So this has been happened. So how we can effectively solve this? So like that only we have to talk to the management. So that is very important. So automatically your staff will be very comfortable to work with you all. So definitely there will not be any lagging. Definitely they will ready to work with you all, work for your work. So that comfortability is also very important in order to complete the work in time. So whatever I told that, so how to improve your time management skills. So whatever I told now, that's what I've listed here. So first, prepare a schedule and follow it strictly. So actually, truly speaking, so every day we are scheduling our work, but whether we are following according to that, definitely no. So according to the situations, we are doing that work. So unfortunately, because of this, what happened? We are not able to complete the work at the end of the day. So at least, so strictly, that is highly not possible. So at least that we have to follow that. We have to try to follow that. So that what, prepare a schedule and we have to try to follow that and set some boundaries. So we have to just set some boundaries. These are the work definitely we have to complete. Some fixed deadlines. So what are the definitely no way. So 1 week, only there is we have to within 1 week we have to complete. So if we are going to give any excuse, that same, so the staff, our staff members also will tell the same. So we have to complete our task in time. So automatically our staff, those are coming under us, definitely they will do for us. And so we have to decide which is what are the long goal to be achieved and what are the short term goal to be achieved. That and all we have to decide. And manage your calendar effectively. So what are the, so in our college itself, these are the work to be done. So the seminar has to be arranged on this day, and we are just conducting so many programs, so many guest lectures, so many FDPs. So this has to be fixed in the calendar. So according to that, we have to follow that. So now we'll see what are the benefits of the good time management. Benefits is nothing but, so once if you are whatever I told still now, if you are going to follow, that, so what will be the benefits? So ultimately what we have to complete, we can complete in time. So we are utilizing our time productively as well as efficiency. So automatically our stress level will be less. So next one is that it will have better reputation with high level management as well as with the lower level management also. So next one is that increased chances of advancement. So within the time, if I've completed our work, we are having so many time for relax ourselves, as well as we can we can go for some other new work also. So within that work we have done. So whatever we have planned, we have just achieved in half a day itself. We are having half day out of 24 hours, just we have completed in 12 hours itself. Balance 24 hours is there. So we can relax ourselves, balance 4 hours, extra 4 hours also there. We can do some other new task. So like that we can do. Then more opportunities to achieve your life and career goals. So every day, whatever the goal we are achieving, that will lead to achieve our short-term goal as well as our long-term goal. So next one is that actually we are in the workplace. I told that we are delegating the work to the staff. So while delegating the work, we have to be very confident what work has been delegated. Why? Because if the staff has asked any doubt in that, we have to give that guidelines. So before delegating the work, first we have to do the homework. Okay. Truly speaking, I'm very proud to say that actually, I'm working in SDMB Vaishnav College. Even our management staff, that is our secretary, normally interested to enhance all the departments. He will do the homework, how we can develop each department. He will every day, he's doing so many homework. So actually he will call for the meeting. So before making, while we are going there, he will have he have done so many work and he will give so many ideas to us. As a staff, that too we are not doing that much. So what I'm telling is that, so I'm telling an example that even that management are also doing. So as a staff, really, so while delegating the work to the staff, we have to do some homework. We have to be very confident in that work. So that's what I just want to tell. Why? Because they will ask for the guidelines. Next one is that whatever the flaws, so normally we know, then we have to know if any problem has been happened, how we have to solve the problem. That is also very important. So actually for every work there will be some problem. How we can solve the problem in easy way. That is very important. Why? Because every work there will be some problem will be there. How you are going to give the solution. That also one of the work will come under the time management. So if you are going to solve the problem in the simplest manner, automatically the time will be saved. So next one is that if you are very, just definitely every workplace, in even our family, there will be a problem. How effectively, how easily, how smartly we are going to solve that problem, that is also very important in order to just manage our time. If you are going to give the simple solution, definitely, so automatically, we are going to complete the task easily. Some people, what they will do, just instead of solving the problem, they will create more problem. So first one is that we have to comfortable our staff. So whatever the problem they are facing, just if we make comfortable our staff, automatically whatever the problem has been faced, that immediately they will intimate to us. So immediately we'll give the solution. if we are going to be a there is a autocratic leader. So in this case, nobody will come and whatever the problem they are facing, nobody they will express to us. In this case, normally the problem will be a complex. So we have to be instead of autocratic leader, we have to be a democratic leader. So these are the points, ma'am. Just you can think about that, ma'am. Just we are discussing about the time management, but you are discussing about that leadership and all. That is also very important in order to manage the time. So that in order to manage the time skills. So even this can also be considered. We also need to be happy, and we have to learn how we have to be cool and how we have to be relaxed. Automatically, we can get the work to be done in relaxed manner. So the main important, I told that we have to balance our work, personal as well as workplace. But really, whether it's possible, whether it's no, actually it's a big question mark. Whether it's a big question even for me also. Really, we are having the NAC cycle. So for that we are working. So that too we are working from morning to evening. And then we having some other, we are committing for this type of guest lectures also. So we are doing that also. And afterwards, we have to take care of the children. We have to take care of the children's studies, and we have to take what we have to do in the next tomorrow. That too, even for the ladies, especially, it's such a big question mark, big task for us. But even though we are doing every day, it's a big task for all. But we are doing. But unfortunately, I have to express the thanks to even. I told that for the ladies, it's a big task to balance the work and personal. Even unfortunately, we are balancing. That is because of husbands. Actually, I have to express the gratitude to all the husbands who are residing here. I hope you are doing all. So without your help, whatever the ladies, whatever the task has been achieved by the ladies is really not possible. Actually, the husbands are really doing good every day. So in order to balance our work life, so work balance that has been, we have to complete, we are doing with our staff. So that our staff cooperation is very important. Then only we can able to complete our work very easily. We can able to complete work that is efficiently. But another task is that our work, that is personal life. That personal life really, we have to work together. Husband and wife, we have to work together. Then only we can able to take care of children. So really, whatever the work we are doing, it's a very remarkable work. Actually, we have to give applause to ourselves, and we have to pat ourselves. Last 40 minutes, I'm just keep on talking. Whether everyone is listening?
Yes, ma'am, we do are listening. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am. We are listening.
It's indeed a beautiful session.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, really, what is the drawback in this note? In this actually online platform, really we are utilizing in an effective manner. So just you are residing in some other place, I'm just residing in some other place, we are interact. Whatever the information we want to transmit, we can able to express. But unfortunately, what is the problem? This face-to-face interaction highly lagging here. So that how we can eliminate that task also we have to identify. It's a
very true, ma'am. I believe to eliminate that task, we all need to turn our videos on so that you can feel as if we're just sitting in front of you and you are just teaching into the class. I believe so. And I believe that many would agree. But yes, because it's quite like it's 7:45 already. And yes, many of us would be busy, indulged, might be in the kitchen and even in the various corners, and still we all are listening to you. So I believe that yes, it's the utmost thing that we could have reached today.
Sir, that truly speaking, I will tell you one more secret also, sir. If I am going to attend any other FDP, no, so in the kitchen, what I will do, no, I'll just switch off the camera and I will listen, I will do my work. Just
It's a
we are
very true
doing
thing. It's a very true thing. Even just 10 minutes before, when I was kneading the dough for making rotis, I actually did the same thing.
So another gifted also, sir. Just we have I'm gifted, but even no, just we are. I'm talking over for 40 minutes in the front of the gadget without any interaction. That really I feel bad. I feel bored also, but no other way.
Ma'am, it's
So
just
like this,
not only you. It's just not only you. I believe every teacher who is being a teacher with choice faces this problem.
yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Actually, my battery is out of running low. I'll just put it in
Sure,
a
ma'am.
charge. Just 2 minutes. So in the meantime, why can't you discuss? Everyone, please discuss our 2 minutes. I'll just come back.
Sure, why not? Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Akshit Puri, and I am attending this entire session from Punjab. So let's have our interaction, everybody, like from where you all are.
Yes, sir. Are you hearing me, sir? Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. Please proceed.
Sir, good session, sir. I want to thank Madam for giving useful information to all the faculties who are working in academic professions like me. And I have one question to ask with an answer. Can I, sir?
Yes,
Sir,
please
extremely
proceed.
sorry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. sir.
Um,
Extremely sorry. Sorry for the
ma'am.
dispute. So,
Ma'am, as you said, you have
sir,
Ma'am, I have a question to ask with you, ma'am. I have a question to ask with you, ma'am.
sir, okay. Tell me, sir.
Ma'am, before doing time management, you said we have to plan the task according to the prioritizing process, ma'am. Like organization with identification and the prioritizing the schedules and the tasks,
Yes,
and
sir.
finally goal setting. But this prioritizing is somewhat difficult using matrix, ma'am, because which task we are doing, I cannot be able to identify which one is actually you said, to identify the task. But
So that's what I
during
told her, sir. We have to identify which is. Yes, sir.
but during difficult times, I'm more stressed with the what's that I'm doing. So
Headphone.
that is more complex for me. So can you give me suggestions for that?
That's what I told, no, sir. That first priority matrix I just shown to you, know, that is very important, sir. We have to prioritize the task which is urgent and which is important. So I gave some of the example, no. So we actually our daughter is waiting in the school means no other way. We have to go first there. Whatever the work is there, even urgent also, what we'll do, we will take some permission and we'll go for that. We'll take some permission and we'll go for that. So that type of work we are not able to skip. So that is urgent, no other way. So like that we have to determine our task. Shall I proceed further?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understand.
madam.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, I'm having a point of discussion. If you may assist. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I guess ma'am's either mic is mute or something is there because she's speaking, but we are not able to hear her.
Yes, sir. Voice is not coming.
Right, right. Very true. So may somebody please assist her with this concern?
Sir, I will
Unable.
put a note on this.
Admins, the admin, may you please assist her?
Sir, I think her mic is mute in mute.
I'm afraid because if her mic would be on mute, it would be showing through a symbol, but there is no symbol of muted mic. That is what I'm asking. Administrative people, may we please assist her up?
Sir, I think maybe cost another cost only symbol admin symbols. Maybe it's using another card. That's the I'm not sure.
Might be possible. Might be possible. Okay, so I believe we all can have an open discussion as we do it in our traditional classrooms. If you people agree, then can I have a thumbs up from you all? All right, great. I'm having a query. Like, just like me, and as good as you people, we all might be busy with two things parallelly. One is completing the syllabi as per to the week and the semester schemes, and simultaneously also going through various snack works or the administrative works. Now I have a query. How can we, you know, differentiate those two things as important or as urgent? Because I believe they both carry the same weightage.
Sir, in my point of view, first academic work is more important, sir, because students are the backbone of the educational institutions, and then you have to go for like kind of administration work.
Actually, there is a big difference because one of the sides we are looking towards students, and on the other aspect, we also are seeing the management. Right. So in actual, when we go on to the ground reality, what I have faced is it becomes a big challenge where either of the both needs to suffer. Where either of both needs to suffer.
वेलकम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अभी बोला भैया आना प्रोग्राम में आ रही थी आपने तो तभी बोला था एडवांस में बोला था ना देखो मैंने तभी तो बोला था ये जब बिल्कुल सवाल है अब वो यार 8-9 का है ना नंदुरा हाँ शादी नंदुरा में अच्छा लगता है IMRC में रिसर्च सेंटर कहाँ पे पुणे में हाँ पुणे में टीचर में क्या TCS
Sir, I can't understand. Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
Ma'am, not audible, ma'am.
Hello?
Madam, now only audible, madam. Last 10-15 minutes, your voice is not audible.
Extremely sorry, sir. Actually, I don't know what is the problem. Actually, my friend only called me now and she only told that, okay, I'll just stop sharing now. So I told that whatever I've just gave some more tips to complete how effectively we can time our management, how we can manage our time effectively. So first we have to prioritize, and according to that we have to do. Hello, whether I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you're audible,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you're audible now.
Okay. Okay, I just what I want. I'll share the PPT now. I'll tell you one thing. So in front of us, every day, elephant is just standing before us. So every day we have to complete the task. Like I'll just show that one, please, 1 minute. I'll present now. Extremely sorry. What happened really, I don't know. Some problem has been happened. Whether you can able to view?
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. So what I am telling you, every day, elephant is standing before us. That much work is standing before us. So every day, just we are completing our task. Definitely, with the help of the time management skill, definitely we can complete even with everyone. Whatever the information I shared to you, everyone already you are all following. I hope you are all agreeing with me. So whatever the information I gave, it's only a simple tips. So already you are very much familiar in the tips. So So our main task is that we have to plan, prioritize, and we have to execute. And whether you can able to show, we can able to view this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just see. In the left corner, one jug is there. So in that jug, all whatever I've just shown here, the marbles is there, and so many items I've just shown here. All the things you have to keep it inside. That is our task. That is how we are. Anyone can able to give your ideas. All the work has to be all that whatever the items I've just shown here. Everything you have to put it in the jug. Whether it's possible? Whether I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first one is that it's like an egg and small marbles. Here sand, and here this is water. At least 2 minutes. Why can't you discuss? Why can't you talk? So last 45 minutes, I'll just keep on talking to you all. Any idea?
Madam, first we can fill the sand, ma'am. Next one, that small marbles. And then egg. At the last, we can fill with the water, ma'am. Am I correct, ma'am?
Okay, that way also we can do. But even we can do better.
Ma'am, we need to put the big ones first.
Well, what you are telling is also right. Yes.
We need to put the biggest ones in first.
Yes.
The eggs first.
Okay.
Then we have to go for the smaller ones. And accordingly, we have to keep going. In second last would be the sand, and finally the water.
Yes, definitely. So like this only we have to manage our time. So while doing the work, whatever is very big task, that has to be completed first. And then small one, which is very, very small one. Finally, we have to complete our work. That's it. If you are going to pour the water,
Madam,
finally
excuse me,
you have
ma'am.
to go. Yes.
What I thought means that we have to be very careful while filling all those things inside the jug. So only I said that first we have to fill the sand, and then the small one marbles, and then the egg and water, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Sorry, even that also we can. How effectively we are going to utilize that? That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
what I'm telling you, so simple. What I'm just trying to convey is that. So which work is very difficult, first try to complete that. Then whatever the small one will be easy. That's what I'm just trying to convey.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Anyway, whatever I've discussed, actually it's a small question. That can be, I will send through Shekhar sir. Already it's time up. We have to do so many lot of work. So this I will share with Shekhar sir. That sir will post in your group. Just you analyze yourself by just telling, just read this and find out yes or no. So one important fact I want to express here, that is in our life. So this is a fact. What just we have identified that in our life, out of 20, that is first 27 hours, 27 years, we are sleeping. But definitely, whether it's true, really, I don't know. Why? Because every day we are sacrificing our sleep. Whether you are all agreeing, really, I don't know. But here, it's given a fact that out in our life, 27 hours we are sleeping, and 3.3 years we are eating, And 5 months, we are waiting at the traffic lights. And 1 year, we are misplaced the object and we are searching for that. And 2 years, we are attempting to return the phone calls. And 4 years, we are doing our housework. And 5 years, we are waiting in the queue. Now, this has been reduced. So, everywhere. And 13 years, we are working. 13.8 years, we are working. This is a fact I just identified. Just I want to just bring it to your notice. So finally, there are so many work is there apart from that. Just we are doing so many, just these are the simple tips what we can do in order to achieve our time management skill. So thank you so much for all your patience. Really, I enjoyed a lot. Why? Because I'm really so happy, some of them are interacting with me at the time session. Really, thank you so much for everyone. Thank you, Shekhar sir, and thank you so much for the entire team who are organizing this program. Really, organizing the FDP in the online, that is not also easy task. Really, everyone is doing a wonderful job. Thanks a lot. Thank you. And once again, thank you all for your patience, listening and all. Thank you so much.